Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to make Google Maps default app as the navigation on iPhone. At first, go to Settings. Here scroll all the way down to the Apps. Here tap Default Apps. Here, as you can see, we have app installation, email, messaging, calling, call filtering, and navigation. Tap on Navigation. If you have your Google Maps installed, here you'll have your application. Tap on the Google Maps. And now, as you can see the text label, Google Maps will be used to get directions and show places. If you have multiple navigation apps, you can change the default. And that's it for this video. Goodbye!